Understanding the basics of HTML and CSS. HTML and CSS work together to create a visually appealing and functional website. HTML is used to create the structure and content of a web page. CSS is used to design and style the web page. Understanding the X and Y axes in web design. The X-axis refers to the horizontal line on a web page. The Y-axis refers to the vertical line on a web page. Understanding both axes is crucial for creating a visually appealing and functional website. The X-axis is used to display horizontal data, while the Y-axis is used to display vertical data. Benefits of mastering the X and Y axes in CSS. Allows for the creation of visually appealing and functional websites. Enables customization of website design. Improves employability in the web design field. Tips for enhancing HTML skills. Practice coding HTML regularly. Study HTML resources online such as W3 Schools, Codecademy, and Udemy. Experiment with different HTML tags and attributes. Creating and customization of axis chart with CSS and D3 graphics. Understand the basics of CSS axis charts. Create an axis chart using D3 graphics. Customize the axis by changing its font, color, size, and position. Best practices for using axis font and color. Use a clear and concise axis title. Choose a font that is easy to read and matches the overall design of the web page. Use a color scheme that is consistent with the overall design of the web page. Use contrasting colors for the axis title and the background of the chart. Use a font size that is appropriate for the size of the chart and the amount of data being displayed. Common mistakes to avoid when working with X and Y axes. Using inconsistent font sizes or colors for the axis title, failing to label the axis title clearly and concisely, choosing inappropriate chart types for the data being displayed, failing to test the chart on different devices and browsers, overcomplicating the chart by adding too much data or too many design elements. Resources for learning HTML and CSS online: schools, Codecademy, Udemy, WebDocs, Free Code Camp. Conclusion: mastering CSS X and Y axes is essential for web designers. Understanding the X and Y axes can enhance your HTML skills and create visually appealing and functional websites. With the right resources and practice, you can become a master of HTML and CSS.